Good afternoon, this is Joe again. I'm in Denver, Colorado today with what else? Another super cool, fun car. This is a 2022 Carrera 4 GTS in gentian blue with a black interior. This car is almost new. It has just over 3,000 miles on it. Belongs to a very nice friend of mine who had the opportunity to buy another one. He's getting another 2023, another GTS 4. He just loves the car, but he's making a few minor changes. But this is a super nice car. He spent a lot of money having substantial PPF done. It's not 100% covered, almost, maybe 90%. Everything on the front of the car is covered, the doors, the rockers, this is covered. You can see, maybe you can't see, I can feel it with my finger, right here. So from here down is covered by PPF. The only big area of the car that's not is this panel here, up to here, okay? It is covered by PPF up to there, not here. The rear wing is covered. This black area is covered. This black area is covered. I believe this is, I don't feel it here. I know this is, and the front is. The wing is covered. The rear bumper cover is not. But the technician did a really nice job right around here. Here's the seam. My finger is on the seam. This is covered around here. So I would say every impact area that could potentially be affected by debris on the road is covered with PPF. Not a single dent or ding on the car. The only fault that I could find was on the plastic front lip. So minor. Right there. It looks like it took a little rock there. I can feel that with my fingernail, but that's the extent of it. That's all I can find. Really, that's, you can say, is a fault on the car. Here's our black interior. We talked about chalk stitching, chalk seat belts, some carbon fiber trim. You can see it's really understated on the 992 here, and it's in the matte finish, not that old shiny carbon fiber. It's the matte finish carbon fiber. Let's take a look at the window sticker. It's $168,560 MSRP. I'll just hold there for a moment so you can look at the build sheet. It does have front axle lift. It has the premium package. It has the sunroof. It has Porsche InnoDrive. It has the RS Spider wheels. Very little I can think of that I'd want to add to this car. So not surprisingly, I talked to this gentleman when he bought the car, so we reviewed that build sheet before it got submitted. The car has a total of 3,120 miles on it. I think it was sold about 8 months ago, so you have over 3 years of warranty left on the car. Also, nice surprise on this car, he prepaid for the first 5 years of maintenance on this car. So of course, as you know, Porsche covers the first year maintenance on all new Porsche purchases. This car has had year 2, 3, 4, and 5 prepaid. If you'd bought that about a year ago, that was about a $5,000 value. Obviously that goes up over time, but that's included with the sale of this car. That's a substantial additional value along with the PPF. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. It sounds so good. I think Porsche just did a wonderful job with it, starting with the 991.2, the 3-liter turbo motors. They really have the character of the naturally aspirated motors of, that preceded them. You really haven't lost that pureness of the driving experience, and there's virtually no turbo lag, and it still sounds really good. You can hear just a little bit of the turbo whine, which is cool. These are wonderful driving cars. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see more detailed pictures or talk about this car, please give me a call. This is Joe. My number is 720-382-6167.